Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing for October of 2019, and we'll just get right into this. I'm actually in California where all the electric's down, so I have a generator that I'm charging my phone on, so I want to hurry up and get this done since I got this. So this month's theme is After Dark, and the first thing that I see in the box is this iconic London, and it is a Prep Set and Glow setting mist, and this retails for $32. I actually chose this, so that's super exciting. I'm glad that I got that. Obviously I wanted it because I did choose it, and this, I don't know if I said it, retails for $32. So the next thing that I see in the box is this iconic London, wait, no. Okay, so this retails for $39. I'm sorry. This is the iconic London Prep Set and Glow. Okay, what I seen before that was the Dulce of Colors. It's an eyeshadow palette. It is a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with mixed shades for a bold look. And it comes with a little brush. I don't know if all of them came with little brushes. I don't know exactly. Those are kind of stiff. This is what the palette looks like. Not super excited about these colors. Nothing, like, I think probably out of all the palettes this was actually the ugliest, but I'm not complaining. Let me go ahead and swatch them. I do like that mauve shade though. So I mean, just for that shade alone, I'd probably enjoy this palette. That is the second shade. So this was Cosmic. Pretty Bold was the pink one. There's like a plum color, and that is Berry Cold. Okay, so this is Cashmere Pretty Bold. Berry Cold, 0 degrees is the blue. I probably would never wear the blue unless it's like on the bottom line. Okay, and the last color, luckily I have 5 fingers. I'm just gonna put it up here. I don't want to put it on my wound. These are like really pigmented. Look how rich that is. Like, that is beautiful. Maybe, okay, so I think I may have spoke too soon. Those are actually some really pretty shades, and I thought this was gonna be ugly. I actually have a lot of fall colored shades, so maybe it's good that I got this palette. So this retails for $32, which is really expensive for a 5 eyeshadow. Kind of expensive, but they are big as you've seen, so yay. I'm like kind of like digging this color, although every time I wear dark makeup everybody says, like, look at this color just keeps giving, and I still have a ton on my fingers. Like, that is pretty intense, and I don't have a napkin, so we're just gonna work with dirty fingers. Okay, so the next thing that I see in the box is this Hank and Henry stick with mascara duo. I'm not gonna open it right now just because I have so many mascaras open at the moment, and this retails for $19. So I will do a video further down the road with this. And then I have this Hollywood and Vine Velvet Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner, which, I mean, not too bad. I guess you have to see if you can smoke it out. I mean, this is one of those things you have to wear all day to be able to tell how it works. And I do like having black eyeliners. And the last thing in the box is, this retails for $7. The last thing that's in the box is this Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Let's see what even color it is. I'm not going to complain about brow gel either, because obviously I like my brows done. Okay, it's like a dark brown. I'm not going to use it right now because I already have brow gel on. And this retails for $16. So overall, I'm super excited about this box. Let me go ahead and add this up and see what the total value of this month's box is. So the total value of this month's box is $103, which is actually a lot lower than normal. It usually averages around like 120, 150. Maybe it's because they're going to start doing the premium box that it was a little lower. I'm still overall super excited about that. I mean, for $25, got $103 worth of makeup, so not complaining whatsoever. And so that completes this video. I hope you guys liked. Like I said, I'm sorry to make it quick this month, but we are on the power shortage, so I am trying to save as much electric as possible. That being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.